Living lovely, just lovely. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it, got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding.
Move it, fart face. Let me move it.
I'm going too slow.
We know.
That's not fair.
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
These dishes are tiring. What?
Oh man, long day at work. Hi, honey.
Hello.
What you doing?
Washing dishes.
Nice.
We're the.
Alright. I'm gonna go upstairs, okay?
All right. Oh my! I want food! I want food! I want food! I want food! Okay, wait, hold on. Everyone calm down. Everyone calm down. I want food! I want applesauce! Okay, calm down. Calm down. I want applesauce!
I want
Okay, can everyone calm down? How did you guys have fun with outside?
Twins, go sit down with people
Okay.
and
All right, guys, the food is done. Twins first. Here you go.
the food.
I got my food. Yeah, I got my food.
The food.
Next up is you. Here you go. You're welcome. All right, who's next?
Me.
All right, let me go grab it. All right, Tatum, yours is next. Here you go.
Yay.
Here you go, Jules. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, everyone eat up, okay?
I'm busy.
Yes.
I'm done.
All right, if you're done, you can go back. You can go in your room and go play, okay?
Same here.
I'm done.
Me too. I'm done.
All right.
Bye. I'll come back. Mommy,
Yes.
I learned a new dance. Wanna see?
Sure. What's the new dance? All right. Okay. That's a good dance.
I know. I did it myself.
Yes.
I know how to do gymnastics.
Me too. Okay.
3. Juliana, what's your name on the airplane?
Let's do our dance. Ready?
No.
What's your name?
Ready?
I forget. Ask Ayla.
It's Candace. It's Candace.
Candace. Wait, what?
It's It's Cadence. Cadence. Cadence.
This is the wedding.
Yeah, ready?
I want to show you something.
2, 1.
Here.
Yay!
Look what I learned.
Did you see that, mommy?
Go.
Good job, both of you.
Excuse you. You better.
Starting to rain outside really hard.
Yeah, it is.
Scared? Wait, watch it. I'm scared. Mommy! Guys, it's raining really a lot tonight.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared.
Oh.
Yeah, who is this lady?
Breaking news. Tonight we will have a hurricane. Please lock all doors, secure all windows, and head to the nearest place with no windows. Thank you. Excuse me? Oh my god, everyone! Oh my goodness!
I'm scared.
Guys, okay, everybody go to your room, pack your bags, and get to our bathroom. Got it?
Got it.
Go. I'm gonna go pack some food.
Hey, where's
Scared. Dada, I'm scared. I'm scared.
You shouldn't be scared.
But
Where
it's
are you guys?
scary. It's scary because there's so much rain.
I never seen rain before.
I'm
Okay,
scared.
you want me to take you somewhere?
No, because it's raining outside.
Okay, look. You see outside?
Away, wrap it up or you can screw today. I'm just trying to hear you say my name. Shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh.
Living lovely.
Baboon.
Okay, guys, it's gonna be okay. We have all of each other, right?
Yeah, but I don't want to know.
Yeah. Should we go check and see if it's still on?
I can't.
No. Don't go out there. It's still on, I think.
I'm bored.
Well, we can't control that. No. Okay, go out.
Thanks.
It's still raining tremendously.
Oh.
Go inside. Get in.
I'm in.
All right. Is it still raining
Oh, I can see. Yeah.
hard?
Oh, it's like a drizzle.
All right. I think we're. Let me check the news. Everybody come to the family room. Yeah. OMG, guys, it's sunny outside. Wait a minute. This is actually really good. Good thing only a little bit of damage happened.
My place is outside.
Oh my gosh, again. Yes, y'all. Mommy watched this. Woo! Woo! Good job, you guys. Oof. I love the water, Mama, in the summer. Yeah, I do too. All right, guys, who wants hot dogs? 3. Oh no, not again.
Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah.